Everyone wants to have a healthy and glowing skin, especially your face, so we eat more healthier, but did you know you can also make the process much easier? Olive oil and coffee are the two main but simple ingredients you can use to get your skin looking years younger. Coffee provides antioxidants internally but also has benefits for the skin when topically applied. This is done by making a mask, paste or scrub from coffee. And even though coffee has stimulating effects, when ingested it provides the complete opposite than when topically applied. It also has a calming effect. Not to mention its anti-aging benefits that helps to decrease the appearance of spots, fine lines and blotches. Coffee is a rich source of vitamin B3, also known as niacin. After the beans have been roasted, a compound called trigonelline breaks down into niacin. According to the Skin Cancer Foundation, niacin may be helpful in preventing non-melanoma skin cancer. Olive oil moisturizes and fights bacteria. It decreases the acne by killing off the bad bacteria that causes acne. It is rich in vitamin E, A, D and K. Even though olive oil is beneficial in some ways, studies also shows that if you have sensitive skin conditions such as dermatitis or oily skin, olive oil may not be the best choice for you. Mix the ratio of 3 tablespoons of coffee to 2 tablespoons of olive oil. It should look like coarse mud when finished. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to like and comment down below and let us know the results if this remedy, if you tried it, and share with your family and friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe. And always remember, health is wealth.